Hello, everybody. Random reference. I don't think anybody can figure it out.
I figured it out.
How did you figure it out?
Look out now!
Because I have a cell phone telephone, and I have a poking stick.
But you don't know. You probably don't think it's the reference. You're probably thinking of a different reference thing. My reference is a totally different thing.
Hey, here's a chainsaw.
I don't want to wield a chainsaw.
Why not?
Reloading!
That'd be. Oh god! Oh my god! Turn around! Rick, Tower Ring Inferno, do it!
What?
Tower Ring Inferno, you probably already got the key, right? Just do it. Why am I reloading? I'm mad I'm using one shell at a time. That hurt.
Hey, heads up, bro. Hey.
Look at me. Did you just chainsaw him in the butt?
Yes, I did.
Up the butt.
Up your butt.
Up the butt.
Reloading!
Stand still.
Adrenaline shot here.
I'm being healed. That works. Telephone. Bam.
You, sir?
What do you want with my shotgun to the face? I'm loving this shotgun right now. The zombies look really out there for a second.
Yeah.
Boom! Why it went boom?
Perfectly in sync.
What is this? I want this AK, whatever it's
Every hunter. Every single hunter.
called. Do I want this? I do want this.
Adrenaline shot here. Grabbing a shot.
I like how we could all pull an AK off of this guy if we wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
Like, oh yeah, he just has an infinite amount
Mutters.
of just AKs.
Molotov here.
Swamp person. Maybe think he's a jockey. I still have my Molotov from earlier.
No, you don't. Oh, wait, yeah, you do. I'm looking at Coach. You just threw your gun on the ground.
That wasn't a gun.
Hey, look out!
That's what that was.
What is this in here?
This is the Deagle and the M16?
Baz.
Is this the M14
Guns
or 16?
right here.
This is the 16 on this game.
Reloading!
It's 16 in this game, yes.
There's a zombie over there, and I hit him in the head. Now I think he's dead.
Which way to go here? This map's a little bit confusing.
It really is.
I'm a
I have
reload!
to pull out my poetry jams again, Eric.
Maybe.
Reloading!
It's like I shot a zombie dead. I'm not
Wait.
sure.
Wanna do some sniping?
Adrenaline shot here.
Now I'm in the swamps.
Guns here.
I'm playing. I wish I could go save some game. Yeah, that makes sense.
Are you ready?
No, not ready. But do it anyway.
Okay.
You guys ready to rock?
We're halfway there. Crap.
Get ready!
Can't do that either, can I?
Oh no.
We're not quite there yet. Living on the train. I can say that. I can say that.
But you shame.
It's like we're not quite there yet.
Same beat.
It's the same thing and it's called a parody. That's how that works,
That's
Eric.
teammates. I don't want to kill teammates.
Isn't that right, Eric?
Yep, moving on. Oh, there they are.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of them.
Let's do it. Yeah.
There's a charger over there.
Reloading!
Coach got him. Charger is surprisingly
I love chainsaws. You just run right through them off orbs.
well. You know what your fetish is?
What?
I have a gas tank and he's a witch.
And a spitter.
This is about to be a very bad idea, Eric.
Yeah, let me switch
I'm
guns.
about to die.
Okay, now what the hell are these
Are
things?
you ready, Eric?
Let me know.
Shit, come on.
And
Come on.
I don't know if it was worth it. Like,
there.
it was fun though, huh?
there you are.
I'm alive. Does anyone have a med kit other than you? No.
Reloading here.
That probably wasn't worth it.
My bones.
Should have kept my shotgun.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he loves me. He gave me his one and only medkit. That is the music.
Yes, this game loves me.
He knows he had a bad day. I had a bad... God dang it.
You want a grenade launcher?
No, not really. I just want to sing my songs, but I can't.
Health kit.
I wonder what the quality of this audio is. I probably need a microphone.
Grenade launcher.
That works. Grenade launcher? What is that, like a China lake? Oh yeah,
Yep, right there in front of me. Alright, I know how to deal with this.
that's for you.
Nope, I have a chainsaw, so.
Alright. Swamp Man. Rock Lobster?
Reloading.
Oops, sorry.
Someone blasted me in the face. Well,
That
where
was-
should we go now? Where am I going, Eric? Should I be walking this way alone?
No, because you're with me.
Oh my god, I'm not alone. OMG, my BFF TM.
Jill.
Nope, it's TM. It's Turtlemonks.
Reloading.
OMG, my BFF TL.
OMG, my BFF PH. The Phantom.
It sounds like something else, actually, for some reason. It doesn't sound like Phantom. It sounds like PhD. It's like, oh, I have a PhD
Well, I got a new thing
in
I hate.
video gaming.
Yes.
Not video game development, in video gaming.
I'm a doctor.
I mean, Greg, you're gonna make a college with that thing. You get to go to college and play video games.
This house sucks.
Molotov.
Why?
Weapons over
Because it's
here.
just like waist deep
Jet
in water.
battles here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I see the road from here. And a floodlight and whatever you want to call it.
That is a floodlight, yes. I think we go to the right?
I'm gonna get a floodlights from my backyard attached to motion sensors.
That's simply what most floodlights have.
What do you want with me? God dang it, zombie. I don't want anything to do
Kill
with you.
kill it, kill it, kill it,
Kill it with fire.
Reloading.
kill it.
These tires seem to be flat. Well,
Thanks, there goes a smoker.
Adrenaline shot
where's
here.
my med kit? I need that. You guys want some flame ammo for incident?
Grab a
Yeah, you
fire
guys want some
bullet.
flame bullets?
Sure. I was just being dragged across the map by smoke, but other than that,
I'm
it's
just going
okay.
incendiary. I know you guys love me now. Oh yeah, things are
We
starting to
start
explode.
suppliers.
Don't worry about it.
It's time to pull out the reloading pistols and save the incendiaries for later. Wow,
Dang
that was a
it.
long shot. What the? Why do my pistols? Oh, wait,
Reloading.
I was about to
Where do we
say,
go now? I'm lost.
I don't know. Which way do we go here?
Oh yeah, here we go.
Write in
Hello.
the comments to tell us where the heck we're supposed to go, because we're lost. Except for Turtlemonks. I'm lost. He's not.
Let's go to the house.
And we've made it to the safe room. Just me and Eric.
Screw
You
those
can't come in
guys.
here. We're having a moment. God dang it. Eric, let's go to the bedroom.
We are right damn good team.
Oh well. There's that. I've only got 57 kills. Eric has 48.
I bet I have the most
I
melee.
demolished the tank. Yes. Because I'm awesome. I'm awesome. Don't you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. What's the next thing?
Oh, look at me.
Good God. What did you have?
69. I had an AK.
We just were blowing her away with the AK. Well, that's that for this part.
No sense in hanging out here.
I'll see you guys in the next part.
What's flaming core?